guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I will be talking about 5D Molato Brightening soap, and in today's video I will pull a little snippet of how the Molato soap is made. So this is our Molato soap and it's 250 ml. This is our 5D Brightening Molato soap, Ostra Prapra Herbal Molato Toning soap for face and body. It's very super effective. Molato soap is made out of lots of soaps. Most of the ingredients are carrots, papaya, Ostra Prapra, Snow White, Giga White powder, Snow White powder, kojic acid powder, and also brightening oils. This Molato soap is good for if you want to dry out your acne. Apply it on your face for about 10 minutes before you have a shower, and I kid you not, it will dry up all your acne and get rid of all the dark spots. So if you are looking for Molato soap to buy, try out www.lebeaucosmetic.com for our beautiful brightening or whitening Molato soap. It's made out of 100% organic ingredients. You will not have your skin looking rough. This is very effective. Unlike other brands out there, this is super healthy and extremely effective. Try Lebeau Cosmetic. On the left hand side, you see how we make our Molato soap. I love making Molato soap. It's basically one of my favorite products to make. Guys, check out www.lebeaucosmetic.com for your Molato soap and you will get 10% off your entire purchase. The code is LBC10. Check out my description box. If you are looking for Molato soap, we do ship worldwide. We ship everywhere, so check it out. I hope you lot enjoyed this video of how Molato soap is being made and a snippet of me recording when making it. 250 ml. Check out Lebeau Cosmetic. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're looking for Molato soap to buy and you've been wondering where to get it from, check out www.lebeaucosmetic.com for your Molato soap. It gets rid of hyperpigmentation. It evens out your your skin tone. You can see a difference between 3 to 4 weeks, sometimes 2 weeks. Check out www.lebeaucosmetic.com for your 5D brightening Molato soap. Thank you guys. Bye.